Ini nggak ada hitungnya, 2, 3,
Satu,
action.
action.
Okay. Hi everyone. This is me, Puput. And we start our show, Puput Guys. There are a lot of stories and news about divorce and marriage life. But how is it going nowadays? And there is a trending issue on the internet that there is a family that has a drama with their marriage life. We will sorry. We have two guest stars here, two families with different backgrounds, and please welcome the Wool families and Zaki families. So, hello guys, how are you?
Fine.
Oh, okay, good. And what about you guys? Miss Rita and Mr. Zaki?
I'm fine, but I don't know.
Oh, okay. So, actually I have a rumor about your family, Mr. Zaki.
Yes.
Can you tell us what actually happened in your family, please?
Okay. Thank you for your time, Miss. Yeah. I am here. We have been married for 5 years ago.
Oh, it's only
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Okay. Oh yes, yes. Yes. Okay, others girls 5 years. Oh. And then after in the first years we have a good relationship as others, like very love others and they cook with good delicious food, and then always wake up me when in the morning, always